rolling on the paratha. Rolling in time. Rolling first round.
My picture is not coming, right?
1 second. Yes. So this is paratha, but this video is coming right. Going to off. So actually my wife is not here, so this is my cooking for today dinner. This roti is going to be mixed. This roti is round and khula hua. Roti is ready. I'm putting little ghee. Yeah. Now this is my second roti. This is also I am going to make paneer paratha only. I make paneer today. No, sorry, yesterday I made, and I keep in fridge. With the 1 liter milk, this much paneer come. Now I am making a space. To put paneer in the bowl. So this much paneer I am going to put. Yummy, yummy. It will go in my tummy, but that video I will not show to you. This is just professional, so I am showing to you professional video. That personal video for not for you, for ourselves. Means the person is eating. This is I am going to make round. So I have how much possible I made it round. Now this paratha is going to be second turn is going to be finished within 1 minute. Thinking to put in YouTube. Let us see. If video is come good, little bit good, then I will put. Okay, my vegetables is ready almost, and whistle is means gas is finished. Means pressure cooker gas. So I can remove it easily. See now my vegetable, banana and potato. Okay, my this paratha second round is going to be finished. Actually this is paratha, so directly I cannot put on the gas. Here only I have to try to make with the ghee. So let us see Now I'm putting ghee. I'll take this knife. Okay. Let me put. I'm going to turn this. This is paneer paratha, so I have to take this roti to make this round and pull over. So my this paratha is also ready. My another paratha I am going to put. Yeah, this paneer paratha, this much is okay for today. Now the rest of the atta I'll make roti, normal roti. So 2 paratha and 3 roti, I think 1, 2 and 1 first one. So I'll not eat all the item today, maybe tonight in midnight or tomorrow. We'll see. I will see means we'll see there no one, I am only. So I will see. So that's all for this video. 1 roti and 1 paratha I already show you in this video how to make. So see you. Signing off. Jai Bharat here. Bye bye.